everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and our full standing abs workout, because not everybody enjoys going down on the mat to tone those abs, and we shall begin straight away with matching and a twist. This is our warm-up and also a good move for those abs. We are preparing the muscles and the heart for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you are returning, I'm very happy to have you. Make sure that you are hydrated and make sure that you are pulling in your abs towards the spine with every single exercise that we shall be doing. So just continue giving me those matches with a twist. And next we are going to be moving on to hula hooping. We are going to hula hoop for 30 seconds per side, beginning from the left to the right. So just get into position and pull your abs towards the spine, and we shall begin moving that torso, rotating it from the left to the right, pulling in those abs towards the spine. As a kid, I really enjoyed and loved hula hooping. I still do, by the way, and I still do it. Very good exercise for those abs as well as aligning the spine. So just continue going, tightening up your abs and onto the other side. So we shall be moving this time from the right to the left, from the right to the left, feeling good about yourself and feeling those abs tightening up as well. This is also good as part of our warm-up. So just continue going, giving me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next you're going to stand, bring your arms forward, pull in those abs towards the spine. We are going to do 30 seconds of standing stabilization. So you're going to twist to the right and back, and to the left and back. Twist as far as you can twist and back, and to the other side. If you want it more challenging, you can do it while pressing onto a dumbbell, and back, twist and back, and twist and back, twist and back, and twist and back, and just get back to giving me that match and a twist. We are going to do 30 seconds of this, feeling good about yourself, feeling your whole body getting heated up. And we are going to be getting into the hula hooping just one more time, beginning from the left to the right. You can spread out your hands just to feel more balance, but while moving that torso from the left to the right, you're pulling in your abs towards the spine to as far as you can. If you want it more challenging, you can even do it faster, as fast as you can go or as you want. And we shall be switching from the right to the left, so just switch up and continue hula hooping. May feel like your abs are actually doing nothing, but this is a very good move. And we are going to get into the standing stabilization, just 30 more seconds of it. And just stand up, bring your hands forward, pull those abs towards the spine, and you will twist to the right and back, and twist to the left and back. Keep standing in one position, and back, twist and back. Keep breathing, twist and back, and twist and back. Just twist yourself to as far as you can go. Don't push yourself, and back, twist and back. Keep going, twist and back, twist and back. Just give me one more per side, twist and back, and twist and back, and relax it out. Moving on to the next exercise, you want to bring your arms at the back of your head, and you'll begin twisting the leg, bringing your knee up to the elbow. We are going to focus on 10 side, pulling in those abs towards the spine, bringing your knees towards the elbow to as close as you can get. Just give me 2 more, and 1 more, and the other side. Just give me 2 more, and relax it out. So next, you want to stand up straight. We are going to be doing side bends. So we shall begin with the right side, and we shall begin bending, trying to reach our legs from the side and back, focusing on 10 per side. If you want it more challenging, you can carry dumbbells in the right hand, in the hand that is going down to reach out. Pulling those abs towards the spine. Just give me 2 more, and 1 more, and the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, trying to reach out to your foot. Just give me 1 more, and get back up. And the next exercise, you're going to get into the plie position. So you're going to go down into the plie squat position, and we are going to begin moving from one side to the other side. Focusing on 10 per side. Going. Just give me 1 more, and get back up, round up, and relax it out. And next, we are going to move on to the last exercise, and we are going to be doing single leg sprints. So just get into position, pull your abs towards the spine, and we shall be doing 30 seconds per side. So you will begin bringing your leg forward for as quick as you can, forward and back as quick as you can, pulling those abs towards the spine. Feeling your muscles working. Just give me 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, and the other leg. Get into position and begin bringing forward and back, forward and back. This is also sort of a cardio, not sort of, actually good cardio, because you know we can't spot reduce fat, guys. So quite a very good exercise to complement our standing abs workout. Just give me 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, and relax it out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys, which we are going to conclude with some good stretches for the abs. So we shall begin with over the head stretch, stretching it out for 20 seconds per side, pulling in your abs towards the spine and reaching out to as far as you can get, and we shall continue holding this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and moving on to the other side. Just stretch it out, feeling good about yourself, cooling down right now, still pulling in those abs. I hope you are feeling great. Just let me know how you're feeling in the comment section below, and let me know how this exercise was as well. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get down. Getting into the chair pose, you want to reach out to the ceiling, bring your hands forward, and you want to sit into those legs, and we are going to be holding this right there for 30 good seconds, guys. This is quite a very good pose for those abs, pulling them in as much as you can. Very good pose for the legs as well. So we are stretching it out, guys. You are doing amazing. Don't give up, keep going. You're doing a great job. Keep holding it right there, keep going. You're doing amazing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're going to get up slowly, and as you get up, you're going to still reach out, and you will bring your hands backward, reaching to the back, stretching out that chest. We are going to be holding this pose for 20 seconds, so just continue holding it right there. You're doing amazing, feeling good in your chest, in your arms, and we shall continue holding this right there. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down slowly. You want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. A high five if you made it this far with me. Thank you very much for joining me, and that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too, and it means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.